Okay, good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning, sir.
How are you all? Fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what we will do is, I'll give you a little orientation as to how we are going to conduct this training and how is this Armed Forces Officer Selection Orientation Program different from any other SSB approach, right? A word about me, my name is Colonel Ganesh Babu. I'm from an engineering background. Subsequently, when I was in the selection system, I did my master's in psychology, and thereafter I did an MBA. This MBA is called MBA in Self-Management and Crisis Management. Interesting thing is, in this 50% of the portion is spiritual and the other 50 is regular MBA. I was from the Corps of Signals, and more important than that is I was a group testing officer for 2 tenures, one with 21 SSB Bhopal and subsequently with 11 SSB Allahabad. Now, I don't know if you're aware, we have a deficiency of 15,000 plus officers in the Indian Armed Forces. Are you aware of that?
Yes, sir.
Now, I was involved in a project for DIPR. The name of the project was Perception Management of Candidates for Improved Selection. Okay, now, in this project, even my wife was part of it, and we had given 2 concepts based on this project. One is called AFOSOP, it stands for Armed Forces Officer Selection Orientation Program, and the other is called Assisted Introspection. Basically, this is for repeater candidates because they are not able to analyze their own pattern of SSB performance so that they can improve. Whereas as an SSR, when you come for the second time, we expect you to make some improvements. That is only possible when you know where to improve. So 2 concepts, AFOSOP and Assisted Introspection. If you go to the YouTube and you type AFOSOP, you will find a couple of videos there which will give you the same presentation that I'm going to show you now. Now, unfortunately, I lost my wife 3 years back. So that was a sad part with this entire thing. And due to some personal reasons, I had to leave the Armed Forces. I left this organization on 10th February 2014. And I started this institute called Academy for Life Skills Development. Now, in this institute, I'm conducting 2 portions. One is the SSB training, which is based on a concept called Self-Management Leadership. I call it SML. If you go to the Facebook and you type www.facebook.com/sml.pune, you will find details about it. I'll just like to tell you a little about the SML concept. Now, what does SML says is self-management leadership says is, see, SSB when you go, it is essentially a leadership training or leadership based selection. And in a simple term, leadership ka matlab your ability to influence and inspire others so that they do it willingly, whatever is the task, right? Self-management does not talk about influencing and inspiring others. It talks about influencing and inspiring yourself. With that as the backdrop, if you look at the human existence, we live in 2 worlds. One is our inner world and second is the outer world. The inner world is not visible, but the outer world is. But the important thing is, if you are in conflict in a inner world, you will find that conflict getting manifested in your outer world. मानते हो इस बात को? अगर आप अपने अंदर ही कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में हो तो किसी भी परिस्थिति में आपको लगेगा कि वो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बाहर भी दिखाई दे रहा है. In the same analogy, if you are in harmony in your inner world, you will find that harmony being reflected in your outer world, irrespective of what is the situation. ये बात मानते हैं? और इसका एक सिंपल सा उदाहरण अगर मैं देना चाहूँ तो I will give it from महाभारत का ये सीन, है ना? युद्ध शुरू हो चुका है and suddenly Arjun says, I cannot fight. Remember that scene? है ना? Now, do you think it is a problem of Arjun's capacity? No. It is definitely not his problem of capacity. It was some input that went inside. He processed it in a manner that was probably not favorable. And then such a capable person like Arjun refuses to fight. Okay. And then what Shri Krishna does is, he resolves that conflict. So I'm not going to talk about Gita Sar here today. What I want to convey is, there was a conflict in Arjun, in his inner world, and that got manifested in his outer world. And then Krishna resolved it. From a modern psychiatric perspective, I can say that Arjun is a case of depression. What do you mean by depression? An efficient person not able to perform. And what Krishna does is what a counselor's job is, resolving the conflict. अगर अर्जुन जैसा capable बंदा इस problem में जा सकता है, you and me are simple human beings. और अगर हमारे अंदर भी कुछ conflicts हो, तो naturally they need to be resolved so that we increase our efficiency. मानते हो इस बात को? With that little backdrop, modern management, so many things, everywhere, hospital management, resource management, this, that, and all those things. If you classify all kinds of management, it can be classified under 5 categories of M. And they are called 5 M's of the management. What are those? Men, material, machines, method, and money. Man management, process management, hospital management, resource management. In सबको club कर दो, they can be put under these 5 categories. Now what I am saying is, in order to manage these 5 M's of the outer world, you have to manage one more M, but that belongs to the inner world. And that M is the, any guess? Mind. That is your mind. So if you can manage the world inside you, you can manage the world outside you. But in the process of trying to manage the outside world, 5 M's of the outer world, if you don't manage the inner world, you're gone. So when you go to SSB, you will also be subjected to various life situations in various forms of test. And what we are looking for you is, how do you respond to those situations? So there is a tremendous amount of role that you have to do with respect to your inner world while you're processing that. And if that processing is good, your responses are good. If your processing is not good, naturally your response will not be there. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, with that little backdrop, there are certain aims of this self-management leadership ka, the whole idea. First is to have more control on your own thoughts, feelings and emotion. अपने स्वयं के भावनाओं के ऊपर, व्यवहार के ऊपर और अपने behavior, thoughts, विचारों के ऊपर नियंत्रण. I think it's a desirable quality. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Second is to become a better leader through better self-understanding. आप लीडरशिप सिलेक्शन में जा रहे हो दूसरों को लीड करने के लिए, उससे पहले बहुत जरूरी है कि मुझे स्वयं को लीड करना आना चाहिए. If I am myself motivated, it will be unreasonable for me to assume that I'll be able to motivate others. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Third is to take complete responsibility for your life. आज मुझे लगता है कि मेरे जीवन में जो कुछ भी हो रहा है उसका responsibility किसी और का है. अगर वो बदली हो जाएंगे तो I'll be happy. That will not happen. You will not have an idle husband, idle wife, idle boss, idle group, idle SSB. Nothing is going to be idle. You have to, adapt yourself to those situations and take charge. Possible? Yes, make sense?
Yes, sir.
Next is to take complete responsibility for your state of mind. आज मुझे लगता है उन्होंने मुझे गाली दी इसलिए मुझे तो गुस्सा आना ही है. उन्होंने गाली देना is a situation. उस गाली को लेके मैंने अंदर क्या करना, that's my personal choice. So when you take complete responsibility of state of mind, what it means is परिस्थिति मेरे मन के स्थिति को विचलित नहीं कर सकता. I can maintain certain degree of stability irrespective of the situation around me. Don't you think it's a leadership requirement? Whether it is the armed forces or outside, it is. And the second last is to communicate better. If you see our modern education system, इसमें language skills have improved. Today's boys and girls are much more confident in terms of their ability to communicate in whichever language, whether it is English or Hindi. But what has happened over a period of time is, इस language के through जो हम communicate करते हैं उसका content के quality में degradation है. So what we are speaking, sometimes we don't mean it. So what I mean to say by communicate better is to have congruency in our communication. What does congruency in communication means? मतलब जो मैं सोचता हूँ, जो मैं बोलता हूँ और जो करता हूँ, उन तीनों में congruence. I am one piece from both from inside and from outside. Unfortunately, आजकल हम बोलते कुछ हैं, सोचते कुछ हैं और करते कुछ हैं. So there is incongruency in my communication, even though my language skills have improved. And there is a misconception because मेरा language अच्छा है, तो मेरा communication अच्छा है. No, it is only language अच्छा है. But what is more important is the idea that you communicate. And last is to manage life changes. परिवर्तन जीवन का नियम है. And the pace with which we are changing in this technology intensive era, it's too fast. And somewhere, if we are not adaptive to this change, we will get lag behind. And वो तो टेक्नोलॉजी के दायरे में हो गया. Even in life, you know, a lot of things keep changing. This, that, tomorrow you get married, you get this, you know, somebody, some loss in family, this, that. Every situation demands one and only one thing, a change. So the faster we change, like this trapeze jumper, you know, she's trying to jump from leaving this and catching this. The faster we do this, the faster the change happens. Problem क्या होता है? We keep hanging on to the first one. Because this is my comfort zone. So I understand that I need to change, but I don't change because I find that, you know, leaving my comfort zone is a little problem. अगर कॉन्सेप्ट समझ आता है तो अभी जो ये आर्म फोर्सेस ऑफिसर सिलेक्शन ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम जो कि एक एसएसबी का गाइडेंस प्रोग्राम है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई डोंट कॉल इट कोचिंग because SSB का the entire process is based on your personality and personality can be groomed. Grooming is different from coaching, है ना? So Armed Forces Officer Selection Orientation Program जो मैं ये आपको ऊपर अभी हम going to, you know, put through, it is based on a concept called self-management leadership that we have already seen. So let us see. Now I conduct this program for various Sainik schools. This is from Sainik School Satara. This is Sainik School Balachadi at Gujarat. We have this is the previous 12th standard batch. And this is again, these are all candidates who got recommended from the previous 12th standard batch. This is again at Sainik School Balachadi. This is the Sainik School Balachadi boys who had come here for NDA written test. They were here with me for 2 months. Their result is going to be out in December. This is again there. Chalo, anyway, that is okay. Let's come to the service selection board, the entire procedure. Procedure आप लोगों को पता है because some of you have gone through it, some of you may not gone through it. So in the part one, what I'm going to cover is what should be your approach to SSB training and where are you as candidates going wrong? Because potentially का problem नहीं है. Problem है how can a country like India have 16,000 officers का deficiency जहाँ पे एक clerk के post के लिए भी post graduates आते हैं, है ना? So with this, I'll put, I'll try and give you a little orientation कि वहाँ का expectation क्या है और आप as a candidate करते क्या. And there is a difference between what I'm looking for and what you're trying to project. और वो एक clarity आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. Then I think it's much more easier for you to orient yourself because essentially these qualities exist. Only thing is they need to be polished and taken out. SSB का location, these all of you are aware, Army, Navy and Air Force, Bhopal, Bangalore, Allahabad. Navy, Bhopal, Bangalore and Coimbatore, Dehradun, Mysore and Varanasi, and recently Gandhinagar has been added for Air Force. So that's okay. Now, when you go as a candidate to the SSB, what happens in the SSB is you are tested using 3 different techniques. Now, what are the 3 techniques? One is the psychological test, second is the interview, and third is the group testing. I was a group testing officer. So it is the same candidate subjected to 3 different techniques of testing, and each one of them essentially looking at the same set of qualities, but उनका देखने का नजरिया या टेस्टिंग का नजरिया बिल्कुल अलग अलग. Now what they are looking for, अगर उसको क्लासिफाई करना है तो they are called officer like qualities. You don't have to bother ये qualities है क्या है, सिर्फ इतना समझ लो कि ये कुछ वो गुण हैं आपके अंदर जिनके होने से it makes you eligible to become an armed forces officer. Otherwise, these qualities are required in day-to-day life also. It is like father of nation गांधी जी है, अगर वो आर्मी में आ जाए सिलेक्शन के लिए तो I don't think he'll get recommended because उनकी फिलॉसफी है इस गाल में थप्पड़ मारो तो ये भी दिखा दो. That may not suit the military requirement. So इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि there is some problem with गांधी जी. What is the issue is कि there is a requirement, job requirement, and Gandhi ji probably don't match the requirement. So Gandhi ji is suited to become a father of nation, but definitely not a military leader because of his value system. No problem with Gandhi ji. Now what we are essentially looking for is, it can be classified into 4 categories. The qualities of your head, that is your IQ. Second is the qualities of your heart, that is your EQ, emotional skills, interpersonal skills, intrapersonal skills, vyavahar ka skills. Third is the leadership qualities. As an individual you may be good, but unless you have the leadership skills, others will not get influenced and inspired by you. And the last is qualities of limb. Now this is both in the physical domain as well as the mental domain. कि आप एक armed forces में आ रहे हो तो there has to be a certain degree of physical fitness. Not only physical fitness, you also need to be certain degree of mental endurance. कि when you're subjected to stressful situation, can you maintain your balance? Required or not? It is required. It is required on the outside also. Now, if you get into details, these are the so-called 15 OLQs. No, candidate keep asking, sir, ये क्या है? OLQs के बारे में बताओ and all that. You don't have to actually bother about these 15 OLQs. ये क्या है? Because all that is required is you understand the situation, you perform. In the process of your performance, these qualities will emerge out if you have it in you. If you don't have it in you, then they will not flow. Simple. So you don't have to actually worry about what are these OLQs, ये कैसे चेक करते हैं, क्या करते हैं. You don't have to actually bother. जितना आप इसके बारे में ज़्यादा समझोगे, उतना आप इसमें उलझ जाओगे. All you have to do is, there is a situation in front of you in whatever format, just go and handle that situation in a manner that you can handle it. And in the process, they will start flowing. Now to explain these concepts, I will use these three movies to you. Three Idiots, Lagan, and Chak De India. Because they make my job simpler in order to explain you certain concepts wherever required. And because they are all fantastic movies being used in management schools also. So I'll use them very frequently. And I'm sure all of you have seen that. Dekha hua hai?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now what is more important is कि SSB का जो ये तीनों टेक्निक है, even though ये है अलग-अलग टाइप के टेस्टिंग, but essentially they are based on sound psychological principle. Psychological test is pure psychological test, others are application of those psychological principles. And they complement each other. Complement का मतलब क्या है कि किसी टेक्निक में कुछ क्वालिटीज बहुत प्रोमिनेंटली आता है, किसी दूसरे में कुछ और आता है, किसी तीसरे में कुछ और, and ultimately we merge the three in the process of conference so that you get a overall three-dimensional picture of this candidate. To put it in a different manner, psychological test. It's called Mansa. आप सोचते क्या हो? GTO is called the Karma. आप करते क्या हो? An interview is Vacha. Karma, Vacha, Mansa. आप बोलते क्या हो? Okay. Now this is the entire SSB flowchart you are all familiar with. अगर नहीं भी होगा तो we will explain it as part of the part 2. Now, in nutshell, it's a 5-day testing process. It is conducted in 2 parts. Stage 1 testing, which has the intelligence test and the PPNDT. The details are given here. And those people who get recommended, they go to the main SSB. So this is the main SSB, stage 2, which consists of psychological test. The details are word association test, TAT, SRT and SD. And then the GTO test, which consists of 9 tests done over 2 days. And then you have an interview, personal interview of about 45 minutes. It's one-to-one phase, one-to-one. It's not a panel interview like the civil services ka. The normal duration is for 40 to 45 minutes in case your interview is going smooth. Sometimes it can extend beyond 1 hour also. And then final day, on the day 5, you have a conference. We will talk about in detail in the part 2. Right now, this is the entire flow chart. If you get recommended, you are retained there for your medical examination. If not, you come back after the conference. This is in nutshell. We'll go about it in details in the part 2, right? And in case you are going for Air Force flying, you have one additional test which is called PABT, Pilot Battery Aptitude Test. We will not talk about it right now. We'll do it in the part 2, right? This is only applicable for candidates who are going for flying category in the Air Force. Now let's come to SSB a little more deeper. Let's try and decode it and understand it from a deeper perspective. First thing, SSB is looking for average caliber boys and girls. What it means is, we are not looking for super intelligent boys and girls. Average. Now ये average का मतलब क्या है? Now that is little tricky. Average का मतलब it is not आपके academic performance में average, personality के domain में average. Those 4 factors, qualities of head, heart, all those things जो मैंने बताया, उन सब में एक average. So you may be high in some, you may be low in some, but what we are looking for average caliber. We'll see that in a couple of subsequent slides. Just understand, you may be academically very, very good, but that does not guarantee you success through your SSB, because that is only one dimension. You may be an engineer with excellent technical skills. No, that does not guarantee you. So we'll see average किस dimension पे थोड़ा आगे जाके. Second, it is not a knowledge-based selection. इट इज ए पर्सनालिटी बेस्ड सिलेक्शन। आपका व्यक्तित्व का इसमें बहुत बड़ा एक रोल है आपके नॉलेज के कंपैरिजन में। नॉलेज फॉर्म्स वन कंपोनेंट, ये नहीं बोल सकते कि नॉलेज नहीं चाहिए, बट इट इज ओनली फॉर्मिंग अ कंपोनेंट, इट डज नॉट गारंटी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप सिविल सर्विसेज में जाओगे तो वहां पे नॉलेज का एक बहुत प्रिडोमिनेंट रोल है, बट यहां पे उतना नहीं है, बट यू कैन नॉट इग्नोर इट। सो इट इज एसेंशियली अ पर्सनालिटी बेस्ड सिलेक्शन। Now this is, I already mentioned, personality, it's a process of grooming. There are large number of factors that govern your personality. Now this you cannot come to me for 14 days or 20 days and I'll tell you कि मैं तुम्हारा personality change कर दूंगा. No, that cannot happen. It's a slow process and it's called grooming. It's a deep process. All I can do here is I can manipulate you to cover up those deficiencies. That is no personality training. So it's a deep process. So coaching in the domain of personality is a faulty concept. Grooming possible, but it's a long-term process. Next is SSB tests are psychological test. और आप शायद ये पहली बार साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट देने आए हो। अगर आपने तारे जमीन पे मूवी देखा होगा तो निशान व्हाट इज अवस्थी, व्हाटएवर अवस्थी है ना, he has probably gone through a psychological test because of that counselor जो भी थे उनके, but otherwise any healthy individual like all of you, this is the first time you're going to put through a psychological test. लेकिन आप लोग सब familiar हो academic test से, and unfortunately Indian education system is based on 3 idiot का वो चमत्कार बलात्कार. So whether you understand the concept or not, just by doing good ratta you can qualify Indian education system with flying colors. Possible? But इसी approach को अगर आप SSB में लेके जाके लगा दोगे, it will be disaster. So SSB के जो टेस्ट है, even though it's called test, they are not academic tests, they are psychological test. यहाँ पे रट्टे का कोई रोल नहीं है। You know, I see a lot of candidates coming here, you know, institutions give them ready-made stories, ready-made WATs and all that, कि इसको रट लो। रट्टे से आपका व्यक्तित्व नहीं बढ़ता। You know, 3 Idiot में that scene चमत्कार बलात्कार, रट्टा ही तो मारा था। That ratta does not work. Imagine you're going for an interview to become an officer in the armed forces based on ratta. No. And last is SSB is a subset of life. For example, if I had to give you an example, let us say अगर आपकी मम्मी बिरयानी बनाती है एक बड़े बर्तन में, she makes biryani in a big बर्तन and she serves you in a smaller plate. इस smaller plate में वो सारे गुण होंगे जो उस बड़े बिरयानी में है। And if there is a problem in this छोटा बिरयानी प्लेट में, इसका मतलब है बनाते टाइम उस बड़े बिरयानी में कुछ गड़बड़ है। So if you want to improve on a lasting nature, should you correct it on the smaller plate or at the larger plate, larger vessel? Larger vessel. So if you do correction there, correction here is automatically. In the same sense, life is the bada biryani, SSB is the plate ka biryani. So when you're going for SSB, just working on this chota plate does not serve you. You will have to work in your life. And then in that sense, SSB become a subset of life. So in that case, you don't have to do anything artificial there in the SSB because you do it in the life. Problem कब आएगा? जब life में मैं कुछ करता हूँ और SSB में कुछ जाके करना पड़ जाता है, then there is a variance. One of you can come here. So that कोई भी तो. Okay. Now what is this? What is this? Ganesh. It's a gift box. Good. Good. अच्छा लग रहा है?
Yes.
Are you sure कि ये अच्छा लगने वाला गिफ्ट का बॉक्स एक्चुअली अच्छा है? आप लोगों को बर्थडे के दिन में जब गिफ्ट मिलता है, कितने देर तक इस अच्छे गिफ्ट रैपिंग को मेंटेन करके रखते हो? यार समटाइम्स तो चलो इतना जल्दी जल्दी करते हो, बोलो खोलो खोलो खोलो, क्यों? बिकॉज nobody is interested in the wrapping. What I am interested is what is inside. If you understand that as a child, the same analogy applies for SSB. You may look good, you may have a very good gift wrapping, good education, good background, dress is very good. ये सब क्या है? Gift wrapping. As an assessor, what I'm interested is what is inside this gift wrapping. Does it make sense? So when you come to SSB, there are two parts of you. One, that you want to show, that is your gift wrapping. Second, what you actually are. And my job as an assessor is very, very simple. You have already said it. To penetrate through this mask and try and see who are you from inside. So in that sense, when I talk about personality assessment, it implies study of the mask. इस चेहरे के पीछे कौन सा चेहरा छुपा हुआ है ना? And what does it means is आपका behavior, your attitude, your belief system and your value system. Because these are the ingredients which decides कि जब आपको different situations में डाला जाएगा, how will you adapt in those situations? The conflict will come when you want to work only on the gift wrapping and make it appear good from the outside. But I have been trained to penetrate and see what are you from inside. So if your approach to preparation for the SSB is just based on the superficial gift wrapping, you and me are in conflict. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
It makes. Now I'll explain it with a little, एक छोटा सा psychological model. It's called stimulus response model. What it says is, assuming this is you, और ये आपका जीवन को देखने का दृष्टिकोण है. Let's call it the frame of reference. ठीक है ना? अगर आपको जीवन को देखने का दृष्टिकोण सकारात्मक है, पॉजिटिव है, तो आप हर इवेंट को उस नजरिए से देखोगे. और उसी जगह में if it is negative, the reverse. है ना? तो हम लाइफ में जो भी इवेंट होता है उसको उस तरीके से नहीं देखते जिस तरीके से वो इवेंट है, हम उसको उस तरीके से देखते हैं जिस तरीके से मेरा दृष्टिकोण है उसके लिए. You understand what I'm trying to say? And लाइफ में जब भी कोई परिस्थिति आता है, they are not questions. Questions में आप रेस्पॉन्स आंसर करो या मैं करूं, हमारा आंसर एक हो सकता है. लेकिन जब परिस्थिति आता है, आपका देखने का दृष्टिकोण अलग, मेरा देखने का दृष्टिकोण बिल्कुल अलग. एंड उस परिस्थिति को हम अपने इस फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंस के थ्रू अंदर अपने इनर वर्ल्ड में लेके जाते हैं. इनर वर्ल्ड में अपने परसेप्शन, अपने दृष्टिकोण के मुताबिक इसको हम प्रोसेस करते हैं और इस प्रोसेस करने के बाद प्रोसेस्ड आउटपुट को हम बाहर एक रेस्पॉन्स के रूप में दिखाते हैं. डज इट मेक सेंस? उदाहरण के लिए निर्भया का केस जो रेप हुआ था दिल्ली में, है ना? सिचुएशन क्या था कि एक बस ड्राइवर और कंडक्टर बस में थे और वो लड़की अकेली अंदर आई. उस इवेंट को ड्राइवर और उन लोगों ने अपने दृष्टिकोण से देखा और रेस्पॉन्स में उस लड़की का रेप करके ब्रूटली मर्डर कर दिया. इस दृष्टिकोण को चेंज कर दो, ये रेस्पॉन्स चेंज हो जाएगा, सिचुएशन वही. यानी कि सिचुएशन एक, लोग बदल जाए तो उनका सबका रेस्पॉन्स अलग अलग. डज इट मेक सेंस? इट मेक सेंस बिकॉज हम सबका देखने का दृष्टिकोण और प्रोसेस करने का क्वालिटी, हमारे विचारों की क्वालिटी, उसके ऊपर ये प्रोसेसिंग होता है. यह भी एसएमएल से भी आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, है ना? और इसका मतलब ये है कि ये जो रेस्पॉन्स जो बाहर दिखाई देता है, अगर इस रेस्पॉन्स को हम बिहेवियर बोले, आपका व्यवहार बोले, तो आपका जो रेस्पॉन्स है, आपका जो बिहेवियर है, वो एक फंक्शन है आपका व्यक्तित्व, योर पर्सनैलिटी इंटरैक्टिंग विद द गिवन एनवायरनमेंट. सो योर बिहेवियर इज ए फंक्शन ऑफ योर पर्सनैलिटी इंटरैक्टिंग विद द गिवन एनवायरनमेंट. ये बात समझ में आ रहा है? और आपने एसएसबी में देखा होगा एक टेस्ट है जिसका नाम है सिचुएशन रिएक्शन टेस्ट. अगर इस टेस्ट को ध्यान से देखा जाए तो ये टेस्ट बिल्कुल इस मॉडल के ऊपर है. इनफैक्ट द एंटायर एसएसबी, पूरा जीवन इस मॉडल के ऊपर है. इसमें क्या होगा सिचुएशन रिएक्शन टेस्ट में? यहां पे आपको कुछ सिचुएशन देंगे, आप उसको समझोगे, आप इसको अपनी समझ से रेस्पॉन्ड करोगे. व्हाट वी विल डू इज आई विल गिव यू सम सैंपल सिचुएशंस. मैं आपको कुछ सैंपल सिचुएशन यहां पे दूंगा, आप उसको अपनी समझ से समझ के अपना अपना रेस्पॉन्स यहां पे मुझे देना. देन वी विल डू समथिंग अबाउट इट. इट विल हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड इट, राइट? ओके, पहला सवाल. Due to some financial constraints, your father told you that this Diwali he will not be able to buy you a new dress. आप लोग सब कुछ तो आप लोग जॉब कर रहे हो, थोड़ा नीचे चले जाओ, 17-18 साल का एज है और आपके पिताजी ने बोला दिवाली में इस बार पैसे की तंगी के कारण आपको नया ड्रेस लेके नहीं मिल सकता. क्या रिस्पॉन्स होगा आपका? चलो इसका रिस्पॉन्स अभी नहीं बताना, बाद में बताना। समझ गए सिचुएशन क्या है? सो अपना अपना रिस्पॉन्स आप लोग यहाँ पे विल सी बाद में। सेकेंड सिचुएशन, आप और आपके दोस्त हैं, बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हो, बट आपके बीच में बहुत बुरी तरह से झगड़ा हो गया, सीरियस फाइट। व्हाट विल यू डू? आते हैं ना इस तरह सिचुएशन, व्हाट विल यू डू? सिचुएशन नंबर 3 है ना, आप लोग अगेन 20-22 साल के लड़के हो, अपने कॉलेज में जाते हो और किसी लड़की को प्रपोज कर देते हो, भैया आप मेरे फ्रेंड बनोगे, और उसने आपको मना कर दिया। व्हाट विल यू डू? सिंपल सिचुएशंस। ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू इज वी विल टेक सम रियल लाइफ केस स्टडीज। उससे पहले मैं इन सिचुएशन को दोबारा दिखाऊंगा और आपका रेस्पॉन्स चाहूंगा मैं, एंड देन वी विल टेक वन बाय वन, राइट? पहला सिचुएशन, फाइनेंशियल कंस्ट्रेंट, ट्रस्ट नहीं मिलेगा, या आप बताओ क्या करो, या संदीप जोर से बोलो, क्या करोगे अगर आपका पिताजी बोलते ट्रस्ट नहीं मिलेगा? व्हाट विल यू डू?
Sir, I will be convinced and I will say next time you can.
Can you repeat it louder?
I will be convinced this time and I will ask him. Okay, let it be next time and.
Okay, you mean to say कि आप पिताजी की प्रॉब्लम को समझोगे और इस बार ठीक है, लेकिन अगली बार जरूर देखें। Anyone else? Yeah. What's your opinion?
It's the same, sir.
What's it?
Sir, I'll understand his problem and I'll not bang this.
You will not. Anyone with a कोई और है जिसका कोई difference of response? या आप क्या करोगे?
Same, sir. I'll support with his decision and go with him and make sure that next time whenever he has the money, he'll get it.
Okay, fine. So all of you are giving a response कि इस बार तो आप पापा की परिस्थिति को समझ जाओगे और अगली बार के लिए रिक्वेस्ट करोगे and you'll manage with your old trust. है ना, right? Okay, now what I'll do is I'll give you a case study. है ना, ये केस पुणे का है, 2 नवंबर 2001, प्लेस ऑफ इंसिडेंट पुणे, पर्सन जो इन्वॉल्व है उसका नाम है प्रीति मेश्राम, उम्र 17 साल, 12वीं में पढ़ती थी एंड फीमेल जेंडर का, राइट? इनके जीवन में भी यही सिचुएशन आया, क्या इस दिवाली को नया ड्रेस फाइनेंशियल कंस्ट्रेंट्स के कारण आपको नहीं मिल सकता, और आप लोगों ने रेस्पॉन्स दिया, आप पापा की बात को समझ जाओगे एंड अकॉर्डिंगली आप पुराना ड्रेस से काम चला लोगे। बट दिस गर्ल डिड समथिंग डिफरेंट, दिस गर्ल कमिट सुसाइड। ड्रेस नहीं मिला और उन्होंने इस इवेंट को प्रोसेस किया एंड शी कमिटेड सुसाइड। अजीब लग रहा है? Okay, let's take the case study number 2. You had a serious fight with your friend. What will you do? Yeah, let's have a couple of answers from this side. Yeah. क्या करोगे आप?
उसके साथ झगड़ा ही करूंगा।
उसके साथ झगड़ा करोगे? झगड़ा करके आगे क्या करोगे?
मार पिटाई हो जाएगा।
और उसके बाद?
उसके बाद लग जाएगा किसी को।
Okay, so he says he'll fight with you, मार पिटाई कर दूंगा, लग जाएगा and all that. That's fine. चलो, honest answer. Yeah, Ganesh, what will you do?
घर जाऊंगा और रीजन फाइंड करूंगा उसने झगड़ा क्यों किया, अगर मेरी गलती होगी तो मैं सॉरी बोलूंगा।
Okay, he says कि मैं रीजन फाइंड आउट करूंगा और सॉरी बोलूंगा अगर मेरी गलती है तो। Yeah, let's Abes, you.
So calm down to myself first, then after some time we'll talk and ये करूँगा।
Okay, so you will first pacify yourself, थोड़ा दिमाग ठंडा हो जाएगा, then you go and discuss and resolve the issue, right? Yes, sir. So that's very practical answer, right? Okay, let's see another case study. ये इंसिडेंट है गुड़गांव का। 11 दिसंबर 2007 गुड़गांव में एक इंटरनेशनल स्कूल है, यूरो इंटरनेशनल स्कूल गुड़गांव। पर्सन इन्वॉल्व अभिषेक त्यागी, 10th क्लास का स्टूडेंट है, 15 साल का। दो दोस्तों के बीच में 10th में लड़ाई हुआ। लुक व्हाट दिस बॉय डज। अगले दिन अपने पिताजी का सर्विस रिवॉल्वर लेके आया और सरेआम स्कूल में 4 बार गोली मार के उस दोस्त को उड़ा दिया। 10 साल का 10th में पढ़ने वाला बच्चा। सिचुएशन, रिस्पॉन्स। तीसरा, यू प्रपोज टू अ गर्ल एंड देन शी सेज कि चल हट, हवा आने दे। व्हाट विल यू डू? लेट्स हैव, या वी हैव समबडी फ्रॉम फर्गुसन कॉलेज हियर, वे लेट्स हैव हिज रिस्पॉन्स, क्योंकि ये इंसिडेंट जो भी मैं बोलने वाला हूँ आपके ही उधर से है।
कुछ नहीं सर, थोड़ा खुद के ऊपर विचार करूंगा, क्यों नहीं बोला, फिर दूसरी अगर मिल जाए तो ठीक।
So he's very smart. सीता नहीं तो कीता। Let's have another person from Ferguson College. Yeah.
सर दूसरी देखो।
Very practical. पहली नहीं तो दूसरी। हाँ संदीप।
I will ask her for friendship
if she is agreeing, else okay, that's fine with me and I will forgive.
So he says कि मैं दोबारा ट्राई मारूंगा, अगर समझ गए तो ठीक है, नहीं हो तो चलने दो। भैया तुम थोड़ा स्माइल कर रहा है। What is your AIT ना?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'll say at least we can be friends and again try later.
So what is the difference between a friend and a boyfriend and a girlfriend?
Sir, nothing.
Nothing. Then what is the difference between becoming a friend and a girlfriend? चल anyway, that's okay. So the general opinion is अगर वो नहीं मानी तो एक दो बार कोशिश करेंगे, नहीं हुआ तो सीता नहीं तो गीता. चलो that's fine. Let's see a real life incident. Case study number 3. This happened on 12 December 2012. Place of incident Ferguson College. One of the famous college. We have a couple of students here from Ferguson College. Anmol Jadhav is the person. Umar 20 साल लड़का BSc third year second year का students. Look what happens. The girl refuses. This boy comes with a sickle and hits her. Situation, response. सुना है? आप लोगों ने सुना है Ferguson College?
Yes, sir.
सुना होगा. So anyway, now the point is, इसने ऐसा किया क्यों नहीं किया वो नहीं that we are looking for. What I'm trying to say is, कि can you see the difference in processing? Because the frame with which these incidents, these stimulus were perceived were different from probably the frames that you are holding inside you. And look at the newspaper, you'll find such incidents every day. Okay. Now what is important is, one question to all of you, क्या इन बच्चों के मम्मी पापा को भी पता होगा कि इनके मन में अभी क्या चल रहा है? या louder? No. अगर शायद पता होता तो they could have probably taken appropriate action. है ना?
Yes, sir.
So इसका मतलब है कि आप लोगों ने भी जो अभी जवाब दिया, वो जवाब तो सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बट जरूरी नहीं है कि जब आप एक्चुअली उस सिचुएशन में आओगे तो उसी टाइप से रेस्पॉन्ड करोगे. आई डोंट से कि यू विल बिहेव लाइक दीज पीपल, बट हाउ डू आई टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड? क्योंकि अगर इनमें से भी किसी एक बच्चे को बुला के हम पूछते तो शायद बोलता नहीं कि मैं उसको मार दूंगा, काट दूंगा, बोलता, बट इन्होंने किया. ऑन द सेम एनालॉजी, व्हेन यू कम टू SSB विद अ ब्यूटीफुल गिफ्ट रैपिंग, गिविंग सच ब्यूटीफुली socially acceptable responses, how do I trust trust your responses? More so in the present nature of coaching, जहां पे आपको ready-made responses दिए जाते हैं, how do I trust those responses कि आप वही करने वाले जो आप दिखा रहे हो? Does it make sense? So इसका मतलब है कि hypothetically अगर मैं बोलूं कि अपनी जो प्रीति मेश्राम है जिसने सुसाइड किया था, let us take वो सुसाइड नहीं करती, let us take वो सुसाइड नहीं करती, ट्रस्ट नहीं मिला, उस दिन उसने अपने आप को एक चांस दे दिया, एंड लेट अस अज्यूम कि उसने ग्रेजुएशन कर लिया और अभी उसने अपना कौन सा शॉर्ट सर्विस कमीशन के लिए आ गए SSB के सामने. आ सकती है ना? सो प्रीति मेश्राम इज अलाइव एंड शी इज बिकम अ ग्रेजुएट एंड शी कम्स फॉर शॉर्ट सर्विस कमीशन. सो व्हाट विल हैपन? शी विल बी सब्जेक्टेड थ्रू दी SSB का टेस्ट, क्योंकि वो SSB का ऑफिसर बनना चाहती है सर आर्मी में. सो शी इज सब्जेक्टेड टू दिस टेस्ट. एंड हम SSB में आप लोगों को सभी बताते हैं कि बी ओरिजिनल एंड बी नेचुरल. लेट अस टेक उसके सामने वही सिचुएशन आ जाता है. क्या सिचुएशन? कि इस बार दिवाली में ड्रेस नहीं मिलेगा. एंड सिंस उसको बताया गया कि बी ओरिजिनल, व्हाट शुड बी हर ओरिजिनल रिस्पॉन्स? कि if I don't get dress, I will commit suicide. Now question to you, do you think she should get recommended? Yeah.
No, sir.
Why? Why she should not get recommended? She is giving her original response. कि if I don't get the dress, I will commit suicide. And you say she should not. Original दिया है जरा. यही तो SSB को चाहिए, दे दिया. क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए?
But inner world में जो आपने बताया था, there's something negativity. So she is not responding that properly and
Okay, now what you're trying to say is कि जिस टाइप का response दिखाया है वो उसमें थोड़ा वो कुछ ठीक नहीं लग रहा, उस टाइप का आदमी तो शायद नहीं रहना चाहिए. That's what you're referring to. Okay, let us take this girl second time भी चली जाती है ना, और वो भी बोलती है कि मैं पहली बार भी ओरिजिनल नहीं दिया था, चलो मैं दोबारा ओरिजिनल देती हूँ. And she again writes the same thing. assuming कि वही situation आ गया, do you think she should get recommended again? No. Okay, वहां पे उसको कोई दोस्त मिल गया, बोला यार तुम ये क्या कर रहे हो, तुम्हारा ऐसा कुछ गड़बड़ है, तो why don't you go for a coaching? So she goes for a coaching center, branded coaching center. और वहां जाके भी, let us assume कि they claim they have the real life SRTs and GTO tasks, they again give the same situation. And she, like an honest girl, natural girl, she again gives, what? If I don't get the dress, I'll commit suicide. अब वहां पे उन्होंने पकड़ लिया, अब उनको भी समझ में आ गया इसके अंदर एक प्रॉब्लम है। अब वो क्या बोलेंगे, भैया तुम ऐसे लिखोगे, अब यही तो तुम्हारा रीजन है सेलेक्ट नहीं होने का, है ना? लुक एट हिज रेस्पॉन्स, हर रेस्पॉन्स कितना अच्छा है, वो ले लो। सो प्रीति मेश्राम अंडरस्टूड कि मैं किस लिए सेलेक्ट नहीं हो रही, क्योंकि मेरे रेस्पॉन्स इसमें गड़बड़ है। एंड शी इज नाउ गिवन अ रेस्पॉन्स व्हिच इज गुड। सो व्हाट डज प्रीति मेश्राम डू? फॉर द सेम सिचुएशन, नाउ शी चेंजेस हर रेस्पॉन्स एंड सेज, I will understand my father and I'll accept the situation, and next बार पापा को बोल दूंगी ड्रेस देना। She changes it and she again goes to the SSB and now she writes this changed response. Should she get recommended? आप बताओ।
No sir.
Why? अब तो response अच्छा हो गया।
But originality नहीं है sir, तो original answer.
What do you mean originality नहीं है? उसका तो response आया है ना, क्यों originality क्यों नहीं है? Why do you think original response नहीं है? आपने जब ओरिजिनल दिया तब बोलते कि ओरिजिनल रेस्पॉन्स से नहीं लूंगा, अभी जब अच्छा रेस्पॉन्स दिया तब बोलते कि तब भी नहीं लूंगा, तो फिर कब लोगे? व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम?
सर उसका मतलब मेंटली अनस्टेबल जो है, शी इज मेंटली अनस्टेबल।
बट आवर रेस्पॉन्सेस आर गुड ना
सर, बट दे विल कम टू नो।
हाउ विल दे कम टू नो? द रेस्पॉन्सेस आर गुड। Preeti Meshram is not writing this time that I'll commit suicide. All she says is, yeah, you want to say something? Why do you think she should not get recommended later?
So because that is not her response basically, it is coach response and SSB is trained to know what kind of coaching is.
Okay, forget about SSB is trained or not. One thing you all agree कि अगर ये लड़की इस रेस्पॉन्स के साथ चली जाती है तो ये रेस्पॉन्स एक सुपरफिशियल लेवल पे बदली किया है। This change has not happened at the deeper level. Do you agree with that? है ना? प्रीति मेश्राम अगर इस रेस्पॉन्स के साथ, बिकॉज ये कोच रेस्पॉन्स अच्छा वाला किसी का लाके लिख देती है, तो एक्चुअली एसेंशियली वो अंदर से परिवर्तित नहीं हुई, अंदर से वही है। एंड अगर मान लो ये बाय एनी चांस निकल जाती है तो आगे जाके डू यू थिंक शी कैन सस्टेन दोस प्रेशर्स ऑफ लाइफ?
No.
So you will have a case of a Captain Preeti Meshram committing suicide in the armed forces. Don't we have these cases? Yes, no? So अगर प्रीति मेश्राम को, forget about SSB because SSB तो उसके दूर की बात है, इवन जीवन रूपी SSB में भी सस्टेन करना है, उसको सस्टेन करने के लिए उसको रेस्पॉन्स लेवल पे ना चेंज करके अगर थॉट लेवल पे अगर कोई काम कर सके तो SSB तो नहीं होगी और होना भी नहीं चाहिए, बट जीवन के SSB में शायद विथस्टैंड करने की थोड़ी सी काबिलियत, if that is the approach for your training, it makes sense. Otherwise, I am creating false Preeti Meshrams, hiding their weaknesses, trying to teach you how to break the system, how to crack SSB. SSB should not be cracked. The aim is not to crack the SSB, aim is to develop yourself to such a level that they accept you rather than cracking it. समझ में आ रहा क्या बोल रहा हूं मैं? So this is what I was trying to say, है ना? रेस्पॉन्स अगर ये है तो ये नेचुरल रेस्पॉन्स है, इस लेवल पे भी उसको सेलेक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए, और अगर कोई कोचिंग करके इसको चेंज कर दे, इसको एड्रेस किए बिना, दैट इज अगेन डेंजरस. It is not only dangerous for Preeti Meshram, it is dangerous for the national security. And if anyone is doing that, I think it is doing a very big, no, I will not say that. Now you tell me, Preeti Meshram trying to demonstrate officer-like qualities only by changing at the response level. इस type के responses को we call it coach responses. अगर आपको समझ में आ रहा है, I think it makes a lot of sense. Let's come back to करना क्या चाहिए. I'll give you an example. अगर ये बात है तो करना क्या चाहिए. Let us assume ये टैंक है, देखा होगा इस टाइप का टैंक, और यहाँ पे एक टैप है. इस टैप से अगर पानी निकलना तो कितना पानी चाहिए? कितना चाहिए? कम से कम कितना पानी चाहिए?
टैप के ऊपर है
कम से कम टैप के लेवल तक चाहिए। अगर इतना होगा तो 2-4 बूंदे गिर जाएगा। यस नो? दैट्स अ सिंपल लॉ ऑफ फिजिक्स। अगर इसके भी लेवल से नीचे है तो आएगा ही नहीं। अगर ये एक टेस्टिंग का मॉडल है मान लो, तो अगर ये एसएसबी को रिप्रेजेंट करता है ये टैप, तो ये टैप इस लेवल पे नहीं है, ये टैप थोड़ा सा ऊपर है, क्योंकि भैया अपना आफ्टर ऑल लीडरशिप लेवल पे जा रहे हो। उसी एनालॉजी से, जिस एनालॉजी पे हमने यहां पे देखा, अगर टैप यहां पे है तो कितना पानी चाहिए? इतने पानी से चल जाएगा? सो इट मेक्स लॉट ऑफ सेंस कि अगर आप एसएसबी का जा रहे हो तो यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज देयर एक्सपेक्टेशन। एसएसबी का टैप कहां पे है, एंड इफ यू फाइंड देयर इज अ गैप बिटवीन योर प्रेजेंट लेवल एंड द व्हाट इज द एक्सपेक्टेड लेवल, व्हाट इज द रैशनल अप्रोच? व्हाट शुड बी द रैशनल अप्रोच? टू fill the water. And when in the process of filling the water आपको दो चीज का ध्यान देना है। One, the quality and the quantity दोनों। ऐसा ना हो कि भर तो दिया लेकिन कचरा भर दिया। अंडरस्टैंड क्या बोल रहा हूं? And when you do that, जब आपका पूरा एम्फेसिस पानी को भरने में है, should you bother कि ये टैप से बाहर आया या नहीं आएगा? It has to come. बट हमारा पूरा एम क्या है? मुझे बस एसएसबी से निकलना है, एसएसबी से निकलना है, एंड देन आई से मेरा क्लियरेंस रेट इज 80%। इसका मतलब मैं हर प्रीति मेश्राम को अंदर डालने की गारंटी लेता हूं? नहीं समझे क्या बोल रहा हूं? Whereas my approach should be to help you now. Yeah, absolutely. And in the process, appropriate level में the clearance is a byproduct. You don't have to worry about it. It will come. But unfortunately, हमारा भी आज जो पूरा यूथ है कहीं ना कहीं शॉर्टकट पे बिलीव करता है कि 1 लीटर यहां से डालो और पूरा 1 लीटर यहां से निकल जाए विदाउट बॉदरिंग अबाउट द टाइम। नाउ दैट्स वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट एंड आई अलाइन माई सेल्फ टू योर रिक्वायरमेंट। अरे आई गारंटी यू ना, कुछ नहीं 80% 90% है। व्हाट डू आई डू? आई पुट अ वेल्डिंग हियर। यू आर कंफर्टेबल, आई एम कंफर्टेबल, आई गेट माई मनी, यू गेट कॉन्फिडेंस। बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली दिस मॉडल यू कम इन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट विथ मी, बिकॉज मेरा ट्रेनिंग पहला जो काम क्या करना है, इस कोचिंग के इफेक्ट को तोड़ना है। द मोमेंट दिस इज आउट, यू आर गॉन, नथिंग इनसाइड, देन द प्रीति मेश्राम कम्स आउट। बिकॉज जिस कॉन्फिडेंस से आप आए हो वो कॉन्फिडेंस एक वेल्डेड कॉन्फिडेंस है, इट्स नॉट ओरिजिनल टू यू, एंड द मोमेंट दिस इज गॉन, यू आर गॉन। नाउ यहां पे एक आम का पेड़ है, इज एनी प्रॉब्लम विद दिस पेड़? या एनी प्रॉब्लम विद दिस पेड़? पाटिल, या
दिस इज नॉट ओरिजिनल सर।
क्या ओरिजिनल के लिए आम लगे हुए, इसमें तो आम भी लगे हुए।
सर आम का पेड़ नहीं लगा, उस पर लगाया है।
आम कीकर के पेड़ में कितना भी आम बांध लो, इट विल नॉट बिकम आम का पेड़। इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस सिंपल लॉजिक हियर, इन द सेम वे प्रीति मेश्राम के ऊपर कितना भी कोट कर लो, प्रीति मेश्राम विल रिमेन प्रीति मेश्राम। एंड एक्सीडेंटली एक आध प्रीति मेश्राम चला भी गया, आई थिंक आई एम डैमेजिंग द सेम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन व्हिच आई हैव सर्व्ड सो फार। Now here is another आम का पेड़, 2 ही पत्ते हैं, but I think it makes lot of sense if I recognize this second one as the आम का पेड़, because this has the potential to become a big आम का पेड़. That is the essential difference between the conventional model of SSB guidance and FSOP approach. Is that making sense? So when you go to this SSB interview, please check अब तक जो भी आपने ट्रेनिंग किया, क्या वो मास्क उतार रहे थे या मास्क चढ़ा रहे थे? अगर मास्क चढ़ा रहे थे, that's a system failure, I'll say. It's very unfortunate. 16,000 officers का deficiency in a country like India, not because you don't have potential. I'll not say. Instead of working on this chota podha, if this is the approach, fine. If you don't work, you end up in this loop. First time, second time, third time, not realizing कहाँ, सर वो सब कुछ किया था जो आप लोगों ने मुझे बताया था, आप लोगों ने मुझे बताया था, मैं तो देख रहा हूँ आप क्या करना चाहते हो, लेकिन आप तो वो कर रहे हैं जो किसी ने बताया था। Where are you? I want Preeti Meshram. Now here I have a painted Preeti Meshram. And then I say, sir, I perform naturally, originally. No, there is no naturality, there is no originality if this is what you are performing. समझ आ रहा है क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं? So if I have to summarize the SSB preparation, it is majority cases में it is response targeted training. I have seen boys and girls coming with 500 words को रट्टा मार के 20, 30 कहानियों को रट मार के आया हुआ. ये ठीक नहीं हो तो उसको फिट कर दो. ये फिट करने वाला ये कौन सा लीडरशिप ट्रेनिंग है? And then you equate yourself to civil services. रट्टा मार के. Second is, if SSB ka selection is a personality based selection, whether you get selected or not, since you have gone through a particular module, at least there has to be an incremental increase in the domain of your personality. By ratta maro TAT, WAT and SRT day in and day out, and with a chota sa booklet current affairs ka ratta mar lo, do you think it improves your personality? It only makes you chamatkar, balatkar, wala chatur. There is absolutely no improvement in you as a human being. Do you agree with that? The whole aim is to crack the SSB. System को break करने की training. किस system को break कर रहे हैं? जिसके ऊपर national security system. Do you want to be guarded the borders by people like Preeti Meshram? नहीं समझ आ रहा क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Would you like our nation to be guarded by people like Preeti Meshram? अब सवाल है इसको करना क्या है? If you have understood यहाँ तक का logic, so there is something else to be done if you are preparing for SSB. Let's try and understand that. For example, यहाँ पे कुछ service entry candidates भी है. For example, you are a soldier and you want to become an officer. You ask them, you say, why do you want to become an officer? Sir, I'm a very good clerk, I'm very good, I do everything that my CEO says, there's that and all that, I'm very disciplined, this. If you do everything that your company commander says, you are a good follower. What we are looking for is not for a good follower, we are looking for a good leader. Tell me, what are you doing other than what your company commander or CEO tells you? That is where you are different from others. If that is not there, you are just a good soldier, and a good soldier does not necessarily mean you can become a potential officer. So we are looking for good soldier plus plus. Tell me the plus plus. There is no answer. There is no answer. So what it means is, if you want to become a soldier to an officer, or a student or an engineer to an officer, it implies that you have to be a good soldier, a good student, something, plus plus. Now this plus plus is what makes you different from other soldiers. Otherwise you are just any other ordinary good soldier. And a good soldier deserves to be a good soldier, not an officer. So this good soldier has to do certain things that qualifies him to become that is the potential. So we are not looking for good soldiers, we are looking for good soldiers having the potential to become potential officers. So your good soldier does not qualify, your good student, your academic performance does not qualify. Now this is where the entire change management is. You are a good student and you want to develop that potential. You are a good soldier, so my job is to help you grow in this domain from B to C, so that you are able to switch over and create the capacity in you, or identify the capacity in you, and then work over it. If I have to tell you in a nutshell, for this change to happen, you will have to work at 4 levels. SSB is a personality based selection, and I told you personality is not just your external appearance or your good grades in the academic domain. You have to be good in the domain of personality. When you talk about domain of personality, I'll say you will have to work on 4 levels. Let us see what are those. One is at the action level. I'll explain in the next slide. That is the behavior level. Second is the understanding level. That is the intellectual level. Third is the feeling level. That is your emotional dimension. And last is the consciousness level. That is at the thought level. It might look very complex now. I'll give you a little example to understand ये क्या चीज है. So what are the 4 levels? The behavior level, that is at the action level, the intellectual level, that is at the understanding level, the emotional level, that is the feeling level, thought level, or the consciousness level. What is this? I'll explain through a little model. The same thing. What we will do is, we'll take an example. Let us take, आप लोग सभी students, so some of you are engineering students, but take it that you are a student who wants to become a doctor. So a student wanting to become a doctor. To become a doctor, what is the essential ingredient? What qualifies to be called as a doctor? Yeah, Sandeep. You need an MBBS degree. Is there any denial कि बिना MBBS डिग्री के आप डॉक्टर बन सकते हो? इंडिया में कुछ डुप्लीकेट भी होते हैं, उसको छोड़ दो. If you want to become a doctor, you need to have a MBBS का डिग्री. कोई डिनाइल तो नहीं है. MBBS का डिग्री जो है वो आपके अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल पे आएगा. क्यों? जब आप पढ़ते हो, it improves your understanding. You understand the anatomy of the body. This, that, this. So when you have this understanding at the, let's call it the level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. At the level 2, so you get a degree that is called MBBS. The moment you have this degree, you are a qualified doctor. And because you have this degree and you are a doctor, now you can behave like a doctor at the action level. Now you can have your stethoscope and अपना clinic खोल के बैठ सकते हो because you have this degree. But not necessarily that you will be a good doctor. You are a doctor because you have the technical skills, level 2. You can behave like one because you are a qualified doctor, so level 1. But not necessarily that you can be a good doctor. पता चला मैं आया था आपके साथ किसी चीज के लिए किडनी निकाल दिया, किडनी भी बेच लिया और ऊपर से मेरे से डबल पैसे मिले. Possible. We have these cases. It is possible. So to become a good doctor, you need to have a good level 3. What is level 3? Your emotional skills. So that when a patient comes, you don't, exaggerate his prescription. You don't remove his kidney. जबरदस्ती का operation, जबरदस्ती का ये करा दो वो करा दो. If you do that, you are a doctor, level 2. You can behave like a doctor, level 1. But you are not a good doctor because you have problem in your level 3. Let me explain with the example. बचपन में आपने कहानी पढ़ा हुआ, एक राजा था, उसके पास 2 माँ चली गई बच्चे को लेके, बोला ये बच्चा मेरा, ये बच्चा मेरा. सुना आपने? सुना है? तो दोनों उसके सामने जाके हल्ला मचाना शुरू कर दिया. राजा कंफ्यूज, बोला ये कौन किसका बच्चा है? तो राजा ने क्या बोला, चलो 2 दिन के बाद आना. तो दोनों माएँ 2 दिन के बाद आई और उसके बाद में राजा ने क्या बोला, मैंने इसके बारे में बहुत सोच विचार किया और मुझे लगता है कि ये बच्चा आप दोनों का है. जल्लाद को बुलाया, बोला इस बच्चे को बीच से काट दो और आधा आधा बांट दो. जैसे ये बोला तो एक माँ उसमें रोने लगी, बोला राजा मैं तो झूठ बोल रही थी, मैं तो गलत हूँ बोल रही थी, ये इसकी असली माँ है, इस बच्चे को इसको. टेल मी व्हाट डिड राजा डू? एब्सोल्युटली, जो माँ रोई बच्चा उसको दे दिया, दूसरे को काल कोठरी में डाल दिया. रीजन, असली माँ का लेवल 3 इमोशनल डायमेंशन रिफ्लेक्ट हो गया. सो लेट अस कम बैक टू अ डॉक्टर मॉडल. लेवल 2, you are a doctor because आपके पास MBBS डिग्री है. You can behave like a doctor level 1 पे, and you are a good doctor because आपकी भावनाएं सही है. Is it making sense? Okay, if that is the case, let us now take case 2. Case 2 क्या है कि आपको डॉक्टर बनना है लेकिन MBBS नहीं करना चाहते, मुन्ना भाई MBBS टाइप, है ना? So you don't study MBBS, but you learn the acting of doctor. So आप रट्टा मार लेते डॉक्टर के डायलॉग, जैसा शाहरुख खान करता है मूवीज में, है ना? So you are now not a doctor because of your MBBS degree, but because of your रट्टा. अब रट्टा मार के आपने डॉक्टर बन गए, आपने भी कोट पहन लिया, आपका लेवल 3 भी बहुत अच्छा है. अब आपको अगर पता चल जाए ये रट्टा वाला डॉक्टर है, इंडिया में तो बहुत सारे होते भी है, किस डॉक्टर के पास जाना पसंद करोगे? डॉक्टर 1, डॉक्टर 2? डॉक्टर 1, क्योंकि उसके पास लेवल 2 पे डॉक्टर का क्वालिफिकेशन है. दूसरा बंदा अच्छा होगा but he does not have the technical skills. If you understand this, then this is called the hard skills. कॉलेज में आपने इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में सुना होगा ना, हार्ड स्किल्स एंड सॉफ्ट स्किल्स. दिस इज कॉल्ड द हार्ड स्किल्स और द टेक्निकल स्किल्स. सो इन द केस 1 you have the hard skills, In the case 2, you do not have the hard skills. And this is called the soft skills or the people skills. So you need a combination of hard skills and soft skills. If I have to explain in a different manner, this is your IQ component, this is your EQ component. Okay, let's see the level 4. Now level 4 is your state of mind. For example, let us take कि ये डॉक्टर्स जो असली वाला डॉक्टर, let us take the forget the case 2. Let us take the असली डॉक्टर है, ये अपने स्टाफ रूम में बैठे अपने दोस्तों के साथ गप्पे मार रहे हैं. इतने में नर्स आके बोलती है कि सर आपका एक पेशेंट आया है, उसका ऑपरेशन थिएटर में, एवरीथिंग इज रेडी, प्लीज कम एंड डू द ऑपरेशन. तो अभी तक तो ये मस्ती में अपने दोस्तों के साथ गप्पे मार रहा था. Now suddenly when this incident happened, he walks into the operation theater. What he has to load? He has to load the information regarding how to perform the surgery. To do that, he needs these hard skills. And this exists. So this gets loaded. And since he is a good doctor, he performs the operation as required. Does not say kidney kharab ho gaya, wo kharab ho gaya. So he is a good doctor, so the surgery ka load ho gaya. And since he is a good doctor, अच्छा perform भी कर दिया. अगर ये नहीं हो, अगर वो केस 2 वाला डॉक्टर होता तो ये लोड हो जाता. होता नहीं. क्यों नहीं होता? वो तो है ही नहीं अंदर. तो उसको फिर रट्टा मार के आप ऑपरेशन कर लोगे? नहीं कर पाओगे. यू विल गेट कॉट कि भैया तो डुप्लीकेट डॉक्टर है. Am I making sense? Okay, now let us take कि ये सर्जन अंदर गया और जैसे उसने पेशेंट का वो ऑपरेशन के लिए हटाया फेस से, देखा ये तो मेरा अपना ही बेटा या बेटी है. What will happen? What will happen? बताओ. या अबे
ऑपरेशन ही नहीं कर पाएगा.
क्यों नहीं कर पाएगा? ऑपरेशन क्यों नहीं कर पाएगा?
क्योंकि उसको फीलिंग्स आ जाएगी.
क्योंकि जैसे ही देखा ये पेशेंट तो मेरा अपना बेटा है या बेटी है, अपना वो राजा वाला स्टोरी की तरह है, यहाँ पे सर्जन का फाइल आउट हो जाएगा और वहां पे माँ का फाइल या फादर का फाइल लोड हो जाएगा. नहीं समझे? सो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? मदर लोड हो गया. जैसे ही मदर लोड हो गया, आपका लेवल 3 डिस्टर्ब. आप दूसरे, मेरे बेटे को ले जाए 4 बार काट दोगे, अपने बेटे को एक इंजेक्शन नहीं दे पा रहे. क्यों? अपना बेटा है. You understand what I'm trying to say? So you now have the technical skills, you have the people skill, you can behave at very well. लेकिन unfortunately यहाँ पे सॉफ्टवेयर गलत लोड हो गया. So आपका स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, किस फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड से आप उस इवेंट को देखते हो, वो बहुत जरूरी है. निर्भया जब बस में आई तो ड्राइवर का स्टेट ऑफ माइंड ड्राइवर से हट के रेपिस्ट का लोड हो गया और उसने रेप कर दिया. प्रीति मेश्राम को जब इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेस किया तो शी कुड नॉट प्रोसेस दैट विद द राइट फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड. एक फादर डॉटर का रिलेशनशिप डिस्टर्ब हो गया एंड उसका नतीजा कॉन्सिक्वेंस हमको पता है क्या हो गया. यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से? So your state of mind is very, very important. So when as soldiers, especially service entry mein, when service entry people go for SSB interview, please remember you are not going there as a soldier. You are going there as a soldier but not present in the interview room or in whatever test in the state of mind of a soldier, but you have to demonstrate the potential candidate in you. That potential candidate cannot be demonstrated by behaving like a good soldier, saluting like a good soldier and walking like a good soldier. उससे आपका potential नहीं दिखेगा. For potential to be reflected, आपको अपने thinking level पे increase करना पड़ेगा, which is the differential between a normal soldier and a potential soldier. It makes sense? Same applies to the students. If you have understood this model, then when you work on your hard skills and when you work on your soft skills and when you have the right frame of mind, that is the time when you have a high degree of functional efficiency. But unfortunately, if you don't work on these level, and only work as a acting like a good doctor, you may be able to act, but you will not have substance inside. समझ में आ रहा क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Now let us model this on the SSB. Same model, pale SSB के ऊपर model करते हैं. Now this is again I'm taking a soldier's case. You can put it as students here yourself. You are a student, you want to become a officer. So like the doctor's case, the first thing you require is the correct understanding, level 2. वहाँ पे MBBS था. It's a big jump for a soldier. It's a big jump with no risk. इस केस में रिस्क बहुत ज्यादा, मछली बाहर गिर गई तो मर जाएगी. यहाँ पे आप जंप मारो, बाहर गिरोगे तो कोई मरोगे नहीं. इसलिए सिंस रिस्क नहीं है, बहुत सारे लोग जाके वहां पे जंप मारते हैं, और जो सही जंप मार सकते हैं उनको भी नीचे गिराया था. दैट्स वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट. यू कांट हेल्प इट बिकॉज़ दैट्स वे द सिस्टम इज. बट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज, इफ यू वांट टू बिकम ए गुड potential officer, like the MBBS case, you need to have the MBBS degree, and in this case SSB is based on your personality. So you need to have a personality. It does not mean a good appearance. What it means is to have the right attitude, right belief system, right value system, excellent communication system, problem solving, analytical ability, decision making, leadership, X, Y, Z, Z, Z. अगर ये है तो आपके पास MBBS डिग्री आ गई. जैसे ही MBBS डिग्री आ गई, आपको लेवल 1 पे एक्टिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि आप एक MBBS आपके पास है. So you start functioning in a manner that is expected, and this is your natural behavior, क्योंकि आप असली डॉक्टर हो. Now the question is whether you are your natural behavior, whether it is suitable to us or not, it will depend on आपका people skill also for you to be highly efficient. So that is where your level 3 comes. Your interpersonal skills, intrapersonal, social adaptability, cooperation, sense of X, Y, Z. Is it making sense? और उसके बाद जब आप उधर जाते हो एक राइट फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड में, एक पोटेंशियल कैंडिडेट के फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड में, एंड देन यू अंडरस्टैंड इफ आई हैव टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट माय पोटेंशियल एज एन ऑफिसर, इफ आई हैव टू शो माय प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एबिलिटी, डे टू डे सिचुएशन को हैंडल करना है, मैं इसको रट्टा मार के, रेडीमेड किसी का दिया हुआ रट्टा मार के इसका ठीक उसका ठीक, दिस अप्रोच इज एब्सोल्युटली इलॉजिकल. ये समझ जिस दिन आपको आ जाएगा, आई थिंक यू आर ऑलरेडी ऑन द राइट पाथ. Just imagine wanting to become a gazetted class 1 officer based on 25 पेज किसी का दिया हुआ रट के. समझ में आ रहा क्या बोल रहा हूँ? So right frame of mind. So a candidate who has to demonstrate their potential, you have to first work on that. Identify your own potential. There is a deficiency. Work on that. Time भरना rather than time के अंदर bending करना. Welded soldiers, Preeti Meshrams. No. समझ में आ रहा हूं क्या बोल रहा हूं? And when you work on these levels, that is your high functional efficiency. Which SSB will reject you? There's a lot of questions कि सर इलाहाबाद को rejection center बोलते हैं, selection center, फलाना. Nothing. All that matters is your performance, and to perform, you need to build your capacity. If there is any deficiency, simple logic. Nothing matters other than your performance. Now, unfortunately, in the conventional coaching model, the entire training is based on the level 1, acting. Acting like a doctor. ये नहीं करना, वो नहीं करना, उसका ठीक, ये एक तेरा गलत है, ये रट ले, इसको कर ले. Everything is based on acting. चमत्कार, बलात्कार. एंड जब एक्टिंग करके आप जाते हो, आपको लगता है कि आई एज ए GTO, आई विद सो मच ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस इन द SSB, और आई एज ए इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर, आई एज ए XYZ, व्हेन आई एम गिविंग यू ब्लाइंडली टेक माय वर्ड्स एंड यू स्टार्ट एक्टिंग, रट्टा मारना, बिकॉज द सोर्स इज टू यू इट अपीयर्स वेरी ऑथेंटिक. And when you do the same thing that I tell you and get rejected, now you don't understand कि मैंने क्या गलती कर दी. Why? Because there is no level to understanding में नहीं है. Because there is no input there. So you don't know where to improve. सर मैंने तो वो सब किया था जो आपने किया. कोई बात नहीं, दोबारा बैठ और रट लो और रट. और रख लो और रख लो. Where is your natural response? So now you get into a negative loop. You do a lot of hard work and the result is not there. You do hard work, there's no result. Why? Because जहाँ करना वहाँ है नहीं, वो तो level 1 पे train. This is the least level at which you can get trained. आप बॉलीवुड के सिलेक्शन के लिए नहीं जा रहे, आर्म फोर्सेस के लीडरशिप के सिलेक्शन के लिए जा रहे हो, एक्टिंग नहीं चलेगा. शाहरुख खान बनने जा रहे हो, मूवी बनना. No, आपको अगर इस लेवल 1 के बेस पे सेलेक्ट हो गए तो आपको संदीप उन्नीकृष्ण के बदले में डाल देंगे, विक्रम बत्रा की जगह पे डालेंगे. कौन आके आपको बताएगा क्या एक्टिंग करना है? कैन यू एक्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ ताज? कैन यू एक्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ विक्रम बत्रा की जगह पे खड़े होकर एक्टिंग कर सकते हो? उड़ा देगा. You only have to perform, and to perform you need to have your level 2. When you have your level 2, level 1 is automatic. Level 1 is automatic. OLQs बहेंगे. कैसे बहेंगे? क्योंकि you're a good doctor. डिग्री है नहीं, डॉक्टर की एक्टिंग करे तो OLQ नहीं निकल रहा, कहां से निकलेगा? Is it making sense, Sandeep? So if you have understood this, then what it requires is certain degree of changes in your pattern of thinking. And what I want to tell you is that if this is the way you were preparing for SSB A to B aaj tak, and if it has not given the result, it will not also. That means there is certain degree of changes that you need to do inside you. That's where my job comes, if I can assist you in that. What is that? ये A to B में आप बहुत expert हो गए रट्टा वाला तरीके से. Now I have to put you into a different cycle, C to D, and I have to assist you in switching over here. This is change management. This is what I do. What do? I will just orient you. I'll act like a lighthouse. Your job is to realign yourself. Effort आप पहले भी लगाते थे, अभी भी लगाओगे. सिर्फ effort लगाने का दिशा change. पहले it was a scalar effort. What does scalar means? Only magnitude, no direction. I will convert your scalar effort into a vector effort. So not only magnitude, the right direction. What is my job? To act as a lighthouse. Whether you do or not, that's your problem. So I don't take any claim whether you succeed, whether you don't succeed. Either way you are responsible. मैं तो सिर्फ lighthouse हूँ. लाइट हाउस का काम लाइट दिखाना, तुम्हारी मर्जी है, आना तो आ जाओ, नहीं आना मत आओ. You understand? So if you get recommended, don't give the credit to me. If you don't get recommended, don't blame me. Either way, you are responsible. But if I don't tell you something rightly which appeals to your logic, you can question me not 1, 10, 100 times. I will not compel you to do anything where I am not able to convince your logic कि ये क्यों ऐसा करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए. Because after all, आप leadership में जा रहे हो, decision making, there cannot be any decision that is an irrational decision. So I cannot train you for a rational decision making process by an irrational method. So question me. Don't allow me to move 1 inch ahead. Is it making sense? कहीं पे नहीं बोलूँगा ऐसे कर वैसे कर, उसका ठीक है इसका ठीक है. I will not do. Because you will decide तुम्हारे लिए क्या ठीक है, तुम्हारे लिए क्या गलत है. Because you are the person in that situation, not me. And this change management we have already done. जब हमारे घर में नया बच्चा पैदा हुआ था, lot of changes happen. पहले हम आराम से सोते थे, अब नहीं सो सकते थे. जब ये बच्चा स्कूल में गया, ये बच्चा घर में राजा था. Suddenly इतने सारे राजा के बीच में. The faster this child changes, the smoother it becomes. है ना? इस बच्चे का शादी हो गया, change. पहले कभी भी घूम सकते थे, अब नहीं घूम सकते. है ना? Death is also a change. If everything is a change, it means leave something, catch something. In the same analogy, you're a student today, you may be a good student. Now to become a potential officer, you'll have to leave certain things, latch on to something. What is that? We will see that. Same applies here. You may be a good soldier, but to become a good officer, you will have to leave something as a good soldier, latch on to something to become a potential officer. That is where my role comes. To assist you in identifying those areas, put you into the right track. Your job is to walk. This involves breaking your comfort zone. If my training ensures that you remain your comfort zone, सर मुझे तो करंट अफेयर्स नहीं आता, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? I agree with you, 2-3 बार बोल देना. I am putting you into your comfort zone. सर मेरे इंग्लिश वीक नहीं, बहुत वीक है, डोंट वरी, ये रट लो. सर करंट अफेयर्स नहीं है, सर मेरा तो ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है. What I am doing? I mean, if I am putting you into your comfort zone and giving you training, there is no growth. As a trainer, especially in the domain of your personality, if I'm not pushing you outside your comfort zone, my training, there is some problem. Every day before you leave this class, if you don't feel incremental change inside your thinking, there is something wrong in my training. You should question me. But if I'm able to push you outside the comfort zone, the growth lies outside your comfort zone. When I weld you on the top drum, there is no breaking of your comfort zone. I'm blinding you by ensuring you that you remain in your comfort zone, converting Preeti Meshram into a potential candidate, actually doing nothing. But I get my Lakshmi. And if you remain in this comfort zone, you will remain in the masses. And if you have come here for leadership training, you have to leave this. Make sense? If it makes sense, this is what you have to do. You have to leave this comfort zone. When you do this, that is where the difference comes. Not an easy job. This cannot be acted. This has to be practiced. This cannot happen by rattoing TAT, WAT, and SRT. Try it. And even if it happens, you are one potential Preeti Meshram in the armed forces. Now, how to do that? What you are going to get out of our interaction here in the next couple of days is, you will understand here. For this change to happen, you will require 3 things. First thing you require is the knowledge. ज्ञान. किस चीज का ज्ञान? What to change and why to change. आपके अंदर किस चीज का परिवर्तन करना है और वो परिवर्तन किस लिए जरूरी है. अगर उस परिवर्तन को नहीं किया तो उसका क्या परिणाम होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ प्रीति मेश्राम को किसी ने गाइड किया होता कि बेटा तुम्हारे अंदर ये प्रॉब्लम है, इसको ठीक करने की जरूरत है, क्योंकि अगर ठीक नहीं किया तो इसका परिणाम ये होगा, I think she would have been in a probably better state. That's an extreme case. In your case, as a potential candidate or as a SSB aspirant, you must be aware कि मुझे किस जगह पे अपने अंदर काम करना है. जरूरी ही नहीं है. So first thing you'll get is a knowledge. What to change, why to change, and what is the consequence if you don't change. Number 2, the skill, the विधि. विधि इस चेंज को, इस परिवर्तन को कैसे अमल में लाना. The tools. So I can also provide you those tools. है ना? So that इस अवेयरनेस के साथ इस टूल्स को लगा के उस चेंज को अमल में लाया जा सके, इंप्लीमेंट कर सके. द थर्ड कंपोनेंट इज द डिजायर टू चेंज. इच्छा शक्ति. अगर ये थर्ड कंपोनेंट आपके पास नहीं है तो यू कैन गो टू भगवान, दिस चेंज विल नॉट हैपन. क्योंकि सब कुछ समझ में आ गया, सारी विधि मिल गई, टूल्स मिल गया, मैं करना ही नहीं है, मेरे में विल पावर ही नहीं है. And if somebody gives you an assurance कि मेरे पास आ जाओ, ये बिना तीनों चीजों को मैं निकाल दूंगा, oh, try it. So any change, forget about SSB, life may be, any change will only happen when you have these 3 components in proportion. First 2 components you can get from outside, but the third component you cannot get from outside. This has to be there inside. This has to be there inside. And while you're interacting with me, you might temporarily feel very motivated because of my external motivation, but this is not sustainable. To sustain, आपके अंदर you have to be internally motivated. कच्ची लकड़ी में आग नहीं लगता. If you have the third component, the other 2 components can be provided. Now you remove any component. Suppose आपके पास desire भी है, skill भी है, लेकिन आपको यही नहीं पता कहाँ पे करना है. आपके पास ये है, ये है, ये नहीं है. To take any combination, एक को remove कर दो, the change will not happen. Make sense? So, if you are here with the third component inside, trust me, the other two will work. You don't have to be very high IQ person. Because आपका इच्छा शक्ति, determination इतना ज़्यादा है, it will compensate for your lack of IQ. That can be built. That can be, through practice, because it is not your basic intelligence that we are talking about. It is your ability to effectively apply that whatever intelligence you have. Armed Forces is an application-oriented organization. So all that I will say is, in our future interaction, don't believe me if anything that I speak to you does not appeal to your logic. If I say कि ये ऐसा गलत है, उसका ले लो, इसका ले लो, please question me. And also when you go outside, question those people who say कि तेरा गलत है, उसका ठीक है, इसका ठीक है, ये कौन सा तरीका है? Believe nothing, no matter where you read it or who has said it, not even if I have said it, unless it agrees with your own reasoning, अपने intellect से, and your own common sense. लीडरशिप ट्रेनिंग के लिए जा रहे हो, चमत्कार बलात्कार करके कैसे जाओगे? सो दिस इज द चेंज फॉर्मूला. जो भी इस परिवर्तन की बात कर रहे हैं, जो आपके अंदर अपना एज पार्ट ऑफ योर ट्रेनिंग, इट इज A plus B plus D should be greater than X. If it is greater than X, the change will happen. You must go for it. But if it is less than X, take your refund and go back to a better place. And what is this? A is the acceptance for the need to change. कि मेरे अंदर इस परिवर्तन की जरूरत है. For that you should have the capacity to identify that. That is where the first component, knowledge, comes. Preeti Meshram has to first accept कि मेरे अंदर ये problem है. Accept ही नहीं करेगी तो फिर change कहाँ से करेगी? Number 2, belief in the ability to succeed. मैं इस परिवर्तन को अमल में ला सकता हूँ. मेरे अंदर ये कॉन्फिडेंस है, कैपेसिटी है. अगर यही नहीं है तो सब कुछ समझ में आएगा, करूंगा कैसे, अंदर कैपेसिटी नहीं है. फोर्थ इज द डिजायरेबिलिटी ऑफ द फ्यूचर स्टेट. अगर प्रीति मेश्राम को वो डिजायर आ जाए कि भैया मुझे जीवित रहना है और अपने जीवन को स्मूथ चलाना है, अगर ये डिजायर ही नहीं है फ्यूचर स्टेट का, देन जाके यू कैन डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट. सो यू मस्ट there has to be a strong desire, and in your case a strong desire to achieve that what that's called SSB ka result. It is not by fluke. It is not achieving success by fluke. It is absolutely focused, a very strong commitment and a focused approach. And the last component is the cost that is involved in this chain, in 3 parameters: the time you invest, the money you invest, and the effort. It has to be worthwhile. Every interaction between you and me should give you this cost. Every time I interact with you, you interact with me, you must find this value. Otherwise, there is something wrong happening between you and me. You are being underpaid in terms of both the time you are going to spend here, the money that you're going to spend here, and the efforts that you're going to spend here, because it's not leading you anywhere. It's a scalar quantity. I don't guarantee your success, but I guarantee one thing: every day you will feel this X component. And overall, if you find this equation matches A plus B plus D, if you find it is greater than the cost that you're paying, go for it. Otherwise, you can leave. समझ में आ रहा है क्या इक्वेशन है? ये equation is not for SSB, it's a much larger dimension. It's applicable to life. So my approach to training would be, since some of you are previously coached from various institutions, I will format everything that you know about the armed force, SSB procedure, everything. People come with so much of colored perception, idhar se, notes. I will wash everything. Make your mind clean of all inputs that you have your works, because they disturb your original performance. Experience that? And once that is cleaned, then I'll do one thing, and that is self-awareness. I'll help you to turn inward using that second module, assisted introspection. I'll assist you to turn inward and look at your own self. SSB आपको बाद में recommend करेगा, पहले अपने आप को आप recommend करो. If you find there are gaps, we will identify them. I'll use a lot of psychological tools, counseling tools and all those tools to do this. Understood? So the better you understand yourself, don't you become leaders of yourself? That is the idea of self-management, leadership. Second thing, parallelly what I will do is, I'll help you understand this organization and the expectation from this organization, you as a potential officer. जब तक आप जिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जा रहे हो, वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन करता क्या है, उसका रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, मेरा रोल क्या है, क्या उसके लिए मैं फिट हूँ, नहीं है, X, Y, Z. How do you go and face an interview? You cannot go for an armed forces interview and saying कि सर मुझे तो कुछ पता नहीं, बस ऐसे ही भर दिया. अरे ऐसे ही भर दिया? There is nothing like ऐसे ही भर दिया. है ना? So when you do these things correctly, we will invest our entire time in doing these things. In fact, predominantly doing this and also this. And एक stage के बाद, I'll start aligning the two. What is that? Yourself with the organizational requirement. And in the process, what will happen is, this alignment के कारण क्या होगा? This is the internal adjustment to suit this requirement. So you have these qualities inside you, or if not, we work on those things. We also understand the organizational requirement, and then we start aligning the two. It is like aligning a rifle. आगे का point और पीछे का point. And then clearance through the SSB is a byproduct. What is the byproduct? टैंक से पानी बाहर निकलना, टैप से, is a byproduct. हमारा focus टैप से बाहर निकलना नहीं होगा. हमारा focus टैंक को भरना, सही क्वालिटी सही क्वांटिटी से. कब ये निकलेगा पता भी नहीं चलेगा. And trust me, there are a lot of, I'm not boasting about it. You can go through Facebook, you'll find large number of stories. है ना? बास्केटबॉल जब खेलते हैं, अगर पूरा ध्यान हम स्कोर बोर्ड पे लगा के अगर बास्केट करने की कोशिश करेंगे, do you think स्कोर बोर्ड बढ़ेगा? Shift, detach from this outcome. SSB clearance से detach हो जाओ. This is not the approach. All we will do is we focus on the basket करने का विधि. The more we practice and perfect there, you will not even realize कि कब बढ़ना शुरू हो गया. So I don't claim your success through SSB. You understand what I'm trying to say? All we will do is we'll improve our technique for doing that basket. That is raising the level. This is a byproduct. So in that sense, you will find Armed Forces Officer Selection Orientation Program. It is a personality development program with a military orientation. After all, you are coming for SSB. And clearance through the SSB is not the aim, unlike many big coaching centers. If you come with that aim, you can keep it for one day, but the next day you will find you're shifting aim. And clearance through the SSB is a natural byproduct. जब sugar cane से sugars निकालते हैं तो molasses is a byproduct. We don't manufacture molasses, so we will not do it to crack the SSB. We will do it to develop ourselves to a level जहाँ पे SSB has no choice but to recommend us. Not by chance, but default by, by our approach. Making sense? Now another thing that will happen here is, once you come here, you will find another difference if you have gone to any other coaching center. जब किसी और कोचिंग सेंटर में जाते हो, अगर आपका ये कॉन्फिडेंस और टाइम का ग्राफ है, एज्यूम कि आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इधर है. जब आप कन्वेंशनल कोचिंग सेंटर्स में जाते हो, जहां पर रेस्पॉन्स कंडीशनिंग के ऊपर ज्यादा जोर है, तो वहां पे आपका कॉन्फिडेंस जहां से भी वो सीधा ऊपर जाएगा. अनफॉर्चुनेटली यहां पे उल्टा होगा, यहां पे नीचे जाएगा. इट विल, जैसे ही आपको ये मैं टूल्स आपके ऊपर अप्लाई करना शुरू करूंगा, you will find your confidence going down, 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 down. This is the realization कि मेरे टैंक का पानी कितना क्वांटिटी और कितना क्वालिटी है. And then you feel कि इसको बदलने की जरूरत है. So the moment you realize this, थोड़ा सा आपको लगेगा there is a dip in your confidence. If this is happening, or if this has happened, so my tonic is working right. But what is interesting is having dip, what happens? Three things can happen. One, after some time, your confidence starts rising, धीरे धीरे पहले, and then starts टकाक से ऊपर. If this happens, fantastic. But this may not happen to all the cases. We have a couple of cases जहाँ पे ये भी हुआ है. Forget about this. Second thing that can happen is it grows more flatter. Not very sharp increase. अगर ये भी हो जाए, which is the majority case, ये भी हो जाए, you fit into the requirement of average caliber boys and girls. But the third thing should not happen. You find कि जैसे जैसे time बढ़ा, there are a couple of people who start sinking down. If this happens, these are Preeti Meshrams who need to prepare not for SSD but for life. But they will have problem. Sometimes it can be purely because of the third component not there, and sometimes it can be capacity problems. And I don't, for either the three cases, I don't guarantee success, including the first category, including the second category, including that's a byproduct. But you will experience these graphs. So what you have to ensure is a strong desire to work on what I am saying, because this will involve a lot of changes inside. But अगर वो desire component नहीं है, तो you'll find the graphs going left right. ये समझ में आ रहा है graph? With that, I'll end today's session. I hope it was useful.
Yes, sir.
If it was useful, you can actually give me a feedback on this place, www.facebook.com/AFOSOP. This is a Facebook page. So this is the page. This is my email ID, afosop@gmail.com, and this is my mobile number, 0827 5577 650. I'll request you to send you a Facebook request on this. I'll accept you, and all updates I'll keep doing it. All notifications, all classroom updates, and these are some of the photographs of various places. This is a Sainik School, Balachari. Yeah, any questions? You found it useful?
Yes.
समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
You found it different from any other palace law? What difference you found? Let's see. Yeah.
Difference is that making ourselves understand, looking inside ourselves and trying to develop ourselves rather than getting something from outside. So that is what it is all about.
कितने बार पहले गया?
6 बार.
This is the 7th time.
This is the 7th time.
Sandeep, what do you think? How is it different?
The solutions lie in the inner world and we are searching outside. So the approach should be inner oriented, and that is going to give the results rather than opposed response or
आपको लगता है कि पहले आप ऊपर से करते थे?
earlier it was superficial, but now I need to introspect and have some changes.
You have been here for last 2 days. Do you find there's a thought process level where there's some changes happening?
Yes, there are changes that are happening at thought process, and even I'm getting to know myself much better, and that is what I mean.
Okay. Yeah, Abhay, what's your comment?
So I think that FOSOP concept is very good, and it changes my thinking level, because everything I need to work on myself.